Good day, everyone. We are developers from Spartan Tech Solutions, and today we welcome you to our project presentation, whereby we will display and showcase to you our classroom engagement application solution. All right, thank you and enjoy.
Essentially, Mr. Nicholas Mendez contracted us, Spartan Tech Solutions, to develop a classroom engagement application for the logging of students' engagement during online learning sessions. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the constraints of engaging with students, as well as the feedback margin, are two primary scopes that have evolved dramatically. The proposed application to be developed is a classroom engagement application that will run in parallel with a video conferencing application, for example, Zoom or Blackboard Collaborate, that has existing chat capabilities to allow students to be more engaged in online learning.
Whose solution, developed by Spartan Tech Solutions, is the Classroom Engagement app. This web application runs concurrently with video conference applications and allows for attendees of a session to better engage in live sessions by reacting or sharing their impression of the session at any time. The host of these sessions can then view the engagements made by the attendees and view analytics created by the attendees' impressions. The Classroom Engagement app also allows for attendees to answer questions and quizzes created by the host.
This classroom engagement application is hosted via Streamlit.io, which is a Python framework that allows developers to easily build and deploy Python web apps. The application interacts with several cloud technologies, including Streamlit Cloud, as well as Google Firebase. This application is deployed via Streamlit Cloud, which allowed us to seamlessly integrate and connect our GitHub repo with our Streamlit account, therefore allowing updates made to the GitHub repo to be pushed immediately to the deployed web app. The application integrates with a Firebase real-time database, therefore allowing us to seamlessly write records to our database and pull and access them at later points throughout the execution of the application itself.
Sir, welcome to Spartan Tech Solution Classroom Engagement Web Application. My name is Videsh Jagai, and today we are focusing on the registration host. We firstly enter our email address. Afterwards, we enter our associative password. Finally, we enter our full name. Click Create Host Account. And we are finally presented. Welcome, Videsh Jagai.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Budu and I will be demonstrating the host's feature of creating a session. So you first select host/teacher option and you log in. After signing up, you can log in with the credentials used. So here I have my email credentials and my password, and we select login. So upon successful login, we are presented with a few options as host. To create a session, we'll accordingly select the create a session option. So upon creating a new session, we see that a session code is also generated. This session code is what students will use to join the session created. We can also select the session date and the session duration. This allows for scheduling of a session for easier concurrent use with a video streaming application. And the session has been created as shown below.
Hi everyone, we are Spartan Tech Solutions, and my name is Satish Rampasad. Today, I will be demonstrating how a student connects to the session that a host makes via the classroom engagement application. So on the left hand side, you will see that you click student, you will enter your name, your ID, and the code that you're seeing here, the session code that you're seeing here, is what the host will send you to connect to the session. Then you click connect to the session, which will then take you through the session.
Good day, sir. I'm Dexter, and today I will be providing a demonstration of the Share Impression feature of our classroom engagement application. Subsequent to a student connecting to a session via the session code, which would have been provided by the host of the session, a student would be brought to this dashboard, which provides them with relevant information about the session that they're currently in, as well as a feature that allows them to share their impression at any particular moment or instance in the session at hand. So, for example, if at this particular moment I am feeling confused, I would then select confused from the list provided and then click submit impression. That would then log that impression and it would appear here in our impression log feature. Each time a student clicks the submit impression button, the information or the feeling that the student has at that particular moment is logged in our Firebase real-time database. So here you would observe the record of the impression that was just created, as well as relevant information about the student. Upon successfully logging in as a host, the user navigates towards the question banks page. The first value acts as a mere placeholder as well as to promote user friendliness. On the second and third options, only the former is partially functional, allowing the user to create a new quiz with a title of their choice and allows the user to input multiple questions. The current issue arises where, for some reason, the data inputted in the question form is not being stored in the database, and so, whilst this problem is to be resolved, several pertinent features, such as view quiz and having the student access the quiz, has been stopped.